Alright, so now we're gonna take all the clips. Pop this one out. Fully take it out. Alright, so we're on the driver's side now. Take all the clips out here as well. Alright, so then you're gonna have screws inside, 10 millimeters. Okay, we're gonna go in the pass. The trick is to pull it fast and clips. So depending on your model, if you have the parking sensors, you're gonna have to unplug it. This one doesn't have them, so. And there's a sensor, I guess, for a tail light, or whatever this is. So just unplug this. It was plugged in right here. And this is it. So to remove the tail lights, you don't really have to. You could technically pop it out without the tail lights. So you could leave the tail lights on, but if you want to press on these clips, they will most likely break. This one broke right here. We tried to press on it, it just broke. It's a type of a plastic that it doesn't really like to be pressed. It's more of a fiberglass, I think, or something, so just keep that in mind.